Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the string escape characters or the string escape sequence. Okay, so whenever we are having some sort of a illegal character inside of the string, we can use a string escape character for that. To insert characters that are illegal in a string, we use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. So here inside of the comment, I will get an error here. So I will add another backslash. You don't have to do that. Okay. So this is an example of basically the illegal characters. Okay. So an example of an illegal character is a double quote inside of a string that is surrounded by double quotes, which we have seen in the last video. Okay, that is why we have used the single quotes, right? Okay, so there are some of these examples here, which we will see in this video. So first of all, let's declare a variable. So message equals to he said, comma, let's do hi there. Okay, so as you can see, this is not good. Okay, and VS Code is suggesting that as well. So to escape this double quote, what we can do, we can add a backslash here and one other backslash here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and hit save. Now as you can see, because we have the default formatter and the format on save is checked, that is why our code is formatted properly. So we are not using the escape characters anymore. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one, paste this one and do Ctrl+Shift+P and file save without formatting. But before doing that, just print the message. Okay, message. So let's do save without formatting. So now if I just run the program, as you can see, he said hi there. Okay, so this is the example of the string escape characters. Okay, once again, we have the single quotes as well, double quotes, which we saw. We have the backslash basically. So what I can do here, like, hey, this is the message, and what I can do here, like, hey, this is a backslash. Okay, and if I just add one backslash here, it will be not good. Okay, so if I just save that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting a syntax error. So what we have to do, we have to add another backslash here. If I just run the program once again, as you can see, hey, this is a backslash. Okay, then we have the new line as well. So let's do something like hello world. Okay, hit save. Right now this is in one single line, but if I just add a backslash n, then it will be on two single lines, basically two separate lines. Okay, so this is the new line escape sequence or the escape character here. Once again, we have the tab as well, so we can do something like t. Okay, run. So as you can see, we are getting a tab inside of the hello and the world. Okay, so this is basically the string escape characters. Whenever we are having some sort of an illegal character inside of the string, to escape that particular character inside of the string, we can use the string escape characters. Okay, all right.